Hi guys, Trisha here from Decisive Designs, coming to you with this beautiful fall table. It's not only fall inspired, but it is what we acquire for our table to be in fall. The season that you see God's most precious work, when the green leaves turn to some of the most beautiful colors, right? Mother Nature, I mean, I just love fall. It inspires me, it excites me, and it makes me want to do more. But with when every leaf drop off those beautiful trees, the tree returned to their nakedness. God is just wonderful. So a lot of people cherish some of those leaves by framing them, by painting them, by doing different crafts with them. But tonight, I don't have a real leaf because it's technically not fall yet. But this tablecloth exemplified fall droppings of those beautiful colored leaves. So just enjoy this fall-like table. And I hope it inspires you. I hope it excites you like it does for me. And these beautiful candlesticks, candles, pumpkins, the arrangement, dahlia arrangement. They are beautiful, freshly cut from the garden. How wonderful. And with every plate, glass, fork, knife, and I see I'm missing a fork, I just want to thank you for supporting my channel. Thank you for sharing my content. Thank you for doing your tablescape as well and sharing it. I would love to learn from you as well as you learn from me. But everything just came together cohesively. It was planned in a way where I knew what I was going to use, but then quickly put it together. The candle holders, they are from Amazon. And now they're in Decisive Designs table. And we'll go in there to decorate the fall windows. Candles, check out Decisive Designs table and more solutions. The dishes, Decisive Designs table and more solution. The utensils, and you will see this tablecloth in the window. So if you love it, if you have a table that is 60 by 120 and would love to purchase it, come to Decisive Designs table and more solutions for your fall table wear needs. Gorgeous. 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 And again, I swap out some plates. I had orange before at the head seats, and I swapped them out because I wanted everything muted. I'm like, I'm not gonna go bright on the plates. So I replaced those IKEA orange plates. So everything is muted. I want the tablecloth to dance, and I want the arrangement to sing. How beautiful they dance and sing together. Gorgeous, gorgeous. And I have to come closer to these pumpkins because the stem exactly matches these candles. Don't know how. And these plates, don't know how, but it happens. God is just so good. Gorgeous. 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 Gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. Let me get a extended take. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Come closer, real close. Zoom in real close so we can see those beautiful details. The vase, I got it from Burlington a while ago, and I use it almost all the time. There's something about that size and the texture and the color. Just gorgeous. Everything I put in it just sings praises to that vase. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Oh, I almost forget the runner. It's just 2 pieces of wood, and it just organic, and I left them that way. They are just gorgeous, gorgeous. Everything is muted on this beautiful tablecloth, and I think that's why it comes together so well. And I wanted to pick up the colors, and I did in those velvet pumpkins on the plate. So those gonna be your name tag. You write someone's name on the bottom of those pumpkins and just tell everyone to sit down, and then tell them to turn over those pumpkins. And whoever is sitting at the wrong spot, tell them move. And you'll get people talking and laughing about why you did that, and I wanted that seat and all of that. And make sure they move because it's like a game. Gorgeous, gorgeous. And I did a stemless amber colored glass here, which is gorgeous. I love the high and the low, everything. And these glass pumpkins, I love them. I've been using them now for a couple years, maybe 3. I got them from Home Goods. Gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. All right, guys, I want to just thank you again for stopping by. Hope you have a blessed day, and I just want to sing praises to God. Father God, I just thank you. I just praise you. I just honor you. because you're worthy, especially for this moment that I get to share my crafts with the world. You're worthy. Peace.